I manage a team of fund accountants. I have about 70 people in my broader team. We're broken up into 4 separate groups. One of the biggest challenges we had was trying to determine the similarities across my teams and the work effort, and trying to make sure that we had things resourced properly.
Our KPIs were very limited, mainly SLAs, maybe errors, but anything related to work and performance was very limited.
We didn't really have a standard, which made things really challenging when we're trying to evaluate any of our processes and look for efficiencies. It was hard to pinpoint what the right spot was to target. There was a lot of baby steps along the way. A lot of discussions, a lot of collaborating, really bringing my teams together to discuss the work in ways that they hadn't really before. And it made the information make more sense and more tangible.
The implementation journey was very thorough. I guess the theoretical training was there so that our team members would understand you need to look at this data, understand where it's coming from, understand what it might mean, translate how you can use it going forward.
The thing that I really appreciated as somebody who spread quite thin and am pulled in a lot of different directions, they really helped show me how to use this data and what best to do on a regular basis, and kind of gave me a shorthand so that we were set up to succeed running with this on our own. For me, it's seeing from 10,000 feet how the teams are doing, and for the teams, it's using the information to make sure that they can line up their resources with our deliverables. It was helping to remove some silos between our teams and to create more collaboration.
I can easily see all my team members, they're happier than before because they now have more time to just spend with their family, go on vacation. They don't really have to worry about if I'm not here, who's gonna take the work. So that is definitely a good thing I'm happy to see.
It's been invaluable to have that data. We're going into meetings and we're making big decisions based on the information that's coming out of ActiveOps. If we don't have this data, we don't have numbers to back up the decisions that we're making. Looking at the data, we were able to see how much time our teams are spending on reconciliations. We were able to see the amount of time that we were spending on this was significant, and that clearly we were ripe for automation, and it was clear that there was a lot of work we could do here to gain efficiencies, create more standard processes across our team, and really be able to do more with the time that we have. Being able to make sure that we're matching, our deliverables with our resources, and using the planning to make sure that we've got all of our resources when we need them at the right time. And that we're planning ahead to make sure that we're keeping our clients satisfied, that we're meeting their needs without asking our team members to sacrifice their personal lives. It's giving our team the opportunity to look at what their impact is. We're going through additional transformation right now, and ActiveOps has been able to provide us with our baseline data as we go.